We're here right now in Angaparo. We're just gonna buy stuff. Probably gonna buy some coffee. Just gonna buy this one. Yeah, so I just get up at the bus. Hey guys, yeah, so I am going now to, hold on, try to put the lens. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm going now to the gym because my dad went to the gym more early than the time because he went home from work a bit early today, so I have no choice but to go alone today. I am just playing some music right now. I am trying to make this work. I don't give a shit anymore if someone is looking at me or something, but yeah, that's why I bought this camera, because no one even's gonna notice that I am recording about my daily thing. So this is what I'm wearing, this one. So yeah, we are now here at this side. Yeah, so it's currently 7:35 and I'm gonna go home like in 5 minutes probably. I just gonna do sit up, and after this I'll go home. So this is just the outfit. I don't know if you can see it. We are so sweaty today. I'm going home now. Jaywalking. I am now here at the street, almost home. So yeah, this is the food that I bought in Chinese store. Probably 2 of this and I'm enough for back. So since we missed Filipino food, we're gonna buy some here. I don't know if I'm gonna buy some chips and noodle. I'll get this. So I just got off at the bus. I'm just 5 minutes away from the bus stop to my workplace. Here in the office, I'm probably just gonna take out the timesheet and take it out the main office, and probably do some pre-start first before we start this whole thing. I don't know if it's gonna be busy, but I still need to edit my vlog that I made last week. Yeah, it's a last week vlog. So yeah, probably just gonna do that and go to my pre-start first. Hey guys, so it's currently 5 p.m. right now. It's raining really hard. It's not just a normal rain, actually it's like a hailstorm or so. That's why the weather right now is so cold. It's like in the 0 degrees today. And I'm freezing, my hands is freezing. But yeah, I'm just gonna go here and I don't know if I'm gonna head to the gym today. I'm gonna go to the gym today. I'm not pretty sure yet. But after this, yeah, if I'm gonna stay here, I'm not sure. But because of the weather and all, I don't think I can go to the gym. Just got home from the gym and I'm just gonna rest for like 15 minutes and I'm gonna go to shower as well, since after shower we need to sleep because we still have work tomorrow. This day is so busy, it's so tiring, but you know, we need to get that bag and get that money. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm gonna do a vlog on weekend since I'm gonna go somewhere else. I actually want to connect the things that I do last weekend. It's just that it's gonna be too long vlog already and I don't think it's better to do it. Hey guys, so we're gonna try the pie roller.
One of the chicken one, creamy chicken.
One of the hot pie in New Zealand right now. Yeah. Let's try this. Oh, it's so good. Let's try the pie itself. Look at that. Look the inside of the pie. It was so good. So I just got home from work, so I'm probably gonna end this vlog here because wasn't able to end it for a long time. Yeah, since I edited my vlog last 3 days and I still wasn't able to post it since there's still no any outro on that one. So anyway, I am kind of trying right now this mic, the one with the creator combo of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, I don't know if it's good, but hopefully it's good because I wasn't able to try it. Yeah, so thank you for watching and see you on my next one.